Hello everyone, I'm Satish Mova, CEO and founder of CarePredict. Today, 46 million seniors in the US rely on another person's observational skills to keep them well. In-person observation is unreliable, inefficient, and costly. And most importantly, it's intermittent at best, because patterns cannot be discerned with occasional observation. 1.4 billion people worldwide will be 60 plus years old in 2030, while the numbers of caregivers keep declining. This is leading to skyrocketing costs due to wage pressures. We need to go beyond human observation to scale. Predictive care is the key to better senior care, and deep learning can predict changes in health ahead of time based on changes in activity and behavior patterns. We've built a SaaS platform that uses continuous machine observation with data collected by lightweight contextual sensors and a wearable to spot declines in health and trigger alerts on anomalies. We are delivering actionable insights with novel data sets that help predict health events. For example, we can determine the onset of depression using activity and behavior patterns that previously required in-person observation. We have a proven product market fit. We sell to assisted living, memory care, and home care in North America on a recurring fee basis. Our value proposition to our customers are to increase revenue per resident, to mitigate liability, to reduce churn, and to reduce costs. We are live and delivering value with software and hardware de-risked and implemented in 5 facilities with over 500 residents and staff, resulting in $235K in ARR since January alone. We are ready to scale. Current contracts are extendable to 65 additional locations and 6,600 persons over the next 9 months, reaching $2.7 million in ARR. We have a team of 15 full-time employees with 5 engineers, 3 data scientists, and 2 nurses. I have 30 years in technology with 23 of those in healthcare with a successful prior exit. We have a strong sales pipeline with over 300 unsolicited inbound leads representing an ARR of over 100 million in the US alone. Competition exists, but it is indirect, and we have defensible IP with 2 issued US and foreign utility patents. What we have done is hard to replicate. We've built a full stack with hardware, firmware, machine learning, AI, and an enterprise backend. It's highly complex technology that spans multiple disciplines, and it was developed over 3 years with an A-plus team. We previously raised $5.2 million. We are highly capital efficient even with a hardware element. Now we are raising $10 million to scale to $8 million in ARR in 18 months. And existing investors have committed $4 million to this round. Please join us in our journey to empower better senior care.